A massive scandal has just exploded across the United Kingdom after being kept in complete darkness for more than 2 years. A superinjunction, one of the most restrictive legal gags in UK history, was officially lifted on the 15th of July, 2025, revealing a secret Afghan immigration operation carried out by both the former Conservative and current Labour governments. Back in February 2022, an official within the Ministry of Defense accidentally sent an email containing highly sensitive data, the names and contact details of up to 100,000 Afghans, many of whom had either supported British forces during the 2-decade war or were known to have serious criminal backgrounds. This information was immediately vulnerable to Taliban access, source The Guardian. By August 2023, British authorities became aware that the leaked data had made its way to social media platforms, and panic erupted inside Whitehall within a month. The government rushed to the High Court and secured a superinjunction on the 1st of September, 2023, banning all UK media from reporting not only the details of the breach, but the very existence of the court order itself. Source: Financial Times. In the shadows of this silence, the government quietly activated a covert operation named the Afghanistan Response Route. By mid-2024, over 4,500 Afghans were airlifted to the UK, including 900 primary applicants and 3,600 of their family members at a cost of £400 million. Source: Ministry of Defense. Then came the bombshell. In early 2025, it was revealed that the operation had been dramatically expanded to cover 25,000 Afghan nationals, costing the British taxpayer a staggering £7 billion. This number did not appear in any official immigration statistics, raising major questions about transparency and national security. Source: Daily Telegraph. British politician Nigel Farage, leader of Reform UK, responded furiously, declaring that this represents an existential threat to national safety, and that some of those flown into the UK included convicted sex offenders. Farage said the Conservative government buried the truth using legal tools to cover up incompetence, dishonesty, and betrayal of the British public. Source: Nigel Farage via official statement on X, formerly Twitter. The man who revealed the scale of the failure was Defense Secretary John Healey from the Labour government, who issued a formal apology on the 15th of July 2025, stating that although the leak happened under the previous administration, the current government accepts full responsibility. Healey confirmed that every individual on the list was contacted and offered protection and asylum, and that MOD systems have now been upgraded to prevent future incidents. Source: Official Ministry of Defense statement and John Healey announcement. High Court Judge Mr. Justice Chamberlain presided over the lifting of the superinjunction, saying that the Taliban likely already knew about the data and public interest now outweighed secrecy. He confirmed that 20% of MOD housing had been allocated to Afghans at one point, and that the Afghanistan Response Route has officially ended following an internal government review in June 2025. Source: High Court proceedings. The Telegraph intelligence documents shared among cabinet ministers in July revealed that 15 of the 20 most riot-prone areas during last year's unrest were those with the highest concentration of Afghan resettlement. Far-right groups had stirred violence after a stabbing in Southport, triggering 6 days of rioting with more than 1,200 arrests. Source: Home Office briefing and Telegraph investigation. At this point in the video, we ask you, what do you think? Is this a humanitarian rescue mission or a massive cover-up gone wrong? Is Nigel Farage right to sound the alarm, or is this political theater? Like and comment with your opinion. And finally, as we close today's episode, the question remains, should there be a full public inquiry? Should those responsible for the breach be prosecuted? And does this prove the British immigration system is broken? Share this video if you believe the public deserves the truth, and subscribe now to England Now 7 for more real stories from inside the United Kingdom.